Hello, my beautiful fam. Dumelang batho ba bantle. Welcome to PananaTV. My name is Monicah Petje. Join me as I organize my coffee and snack bar. Let's do this. So what I like about this space is that it's it's actually next to our office and very close to our bedroom, meaning that at night you don't have to go all the way downstairs to make yourself chamomile tea or heat food or grab a healthy snack and things like that. And during the day, it's very easy for you to make yourself a cup of coffee or tea. I love it. It is so convenient. Just a quick haul. I bought most of these things from Mr. Price Home. This artificial plant is from Mr. Price Home. I think it was 150 or 99 rand. I don't remember. It's stunning. I absolutely love it. And then this soap dispenser is from Mr. Price Home as well. It was 150. And I bought this frame from Mr. Price Home, and the picture inside I downloaded it from Canva. I really love how this looks. It looks so nice, minimalistic, stunning, stunning, stunning. I'm loving the way everything is set up here, but one thing you'll see is that I've removed the sugar going forward because we are now having our coffee and tea with raw honey. It's just a lot more healthier and we like to keep it that way. So since this is a snack bar, we are very intentional about the snacks we put up here. You'll see snacks such as pistachios, almonds, and it's raw almonds, which are a lot more healthier, walnuts, pecan nuts, and if it's fruits, it's dried mangoes, dried apricots, or fresh fruits. So we are quite intentional about that. So in case you're wondering about the eggs, hubby likes to drink one egg before he works out. They are just a reminder because when they're downstairs, then he forgets it. And there you go. There's our coffee and snack bar. I bought the plunger from Takealot. It filters the coffee very well. Absolutely love it. Let me know if you have any questions about anything. I'll be happy to answer them down below in the comment section. And thank you so much for watching. Enjoy the rest of the video.
Daydream with me, let your mind explode.